Today, we are going to discuss the manufacturer's dilemma and why factories are leaving billions on the table. Somewhere in Asia right now, a factory is producing 10,000 skincare products. The formulation is world class. The factory is certified to every global standard, and the founder has 25 years of expertise. The factory earns $2 per unit. The brand selling those products earns 40. This is the manufacturer's dilemma, and today we are going to be discussing as to why this gap exists, why it matters, and what the smartest manufacturers are doing about it. Let's start with the numbers because the gap is not subtle, it's a chasm. The contract manufacturers, the companies that are actually producing the goods, typically operate on 5 to 10% net margins. They are competing on efficiency, on price, on reliability. What you need to understand out here is that it's a tough business with pretty thin margins. Brand owners, on the other hand, especially in premium categories, enjoy gross margins of 60 to 80%. Luxury beauty products, for example, Estee Lauder, have reported gross margins of around 80% for years now. But here's where it gets interesting. It's not about the margin, it's about the valuation multiples. Manufacturing businesses typically trade at 1 to 3 times revenue. They are capital intensive, margins are thin, differentiation is limited. Investors see them as cost centers. Consumer brands with strong D2C channels and loyal customer base, they command 5 to 10 times revenue, sometimes even more. This brings us to the macro shift, and why now? The reason is that we are seeing 4 macro forces converging that make manufacturer to brand transitions more viable than ever before. First and foremost, the direct-to-consumer infrastructure is now mature. Secondly, we are also seeing that the consumer trust is shifting. Thirdly, what we are seeing is that Asia premium is real. And fourth, we are seeing that the private equity is hungry. All these forces are structural and not cyclical, and they are not going away. The global manufacturing landscape is at an inflection point. Decades of capability building across Asia has created thousands of factories with world-class expertise in formulation, material science, precision engineering, and quality control. These capabilities were built serving global brands, and now they can serve global customers directly. Additionally, the barriers to brand building have never been lower. The margin opportunity has never been clearer. The capital markets have never been more receptive. For manufacturers willing to make the leap, the price is extraordinary, transforming from a cost center supplier into a brand that captures the full value of your capabilities. The arithmetic is compelling, the infrastructure is ready, the only question is who will move first.